Today on FreeDigiTools, we are transforming the FreeDigiTools web application into a real mobile app, not a fake screenshot app, not a glorified browser tab wearing a disguise. An actual installable Android application. We'll convert the website into a mobile app, connect essential features like Razorpay payments, generate the APK file, and prepare everything for publishing. So if you've built a web app and want users to download it straight from their phones like a proper modern civilization, you're in the right place. Let's turn FreeDigiTools into a mobile app. Now, for converting your website into a mobile app, we'll be using Web2Native. Just go to https web2native.com. It's one of the easiest ways to turn a web application into a real Android or iOS app without rebuilding everything from scratch. Simply enter your website URL, customize the app settings, generate the Android Studio project or APK, and you're ready to publish. So instead of wrestling with native development for 6 consecutive business lifetimes, we'll let Web2Native do the heavy lifting. Once your URL is verified, it's time to customize. Choose your platform. We'll go with Android for this example. Then enter your app's name and select the framework your website uses. Click View your demo now to proceed. Now, the platform is working its magic. It will fetch your files, compile the code, and build your app. This process is fully automated, so you can just sit back and watch the progress. Just click on Start button. It will install the app in seconds. You can see the app is installed with FreeDigiTools logo with splash screen. Once the build is complete, you'll be taken to the demo page. Here you can test your app via a QR code or download the file directly. Let's click Download. You'll be prompted to quickly fill in your name, contact number, and email. Once saved, your APK file will begin downloading. While that's downloading, you can also explore and add premium features to your app like biometric authentication, social login, or Google Firebase right from the dashboard. To install and test this APK on your computer or to make further developer customizations, you can download Android Studio. Just do a quick Google search, head to the official developer site, and you're ready to go. You can explore the APK demo version to preview the app's interface, features, and overall user experience before full deployment. Upload the APK to appetize.io to instantly preview and test your Android app directly in the browser without installing it on a device. To test your newly built app, head over to appetize.io and log into your account. The sign in with Google option makes this quick and easy. Once you're on the dashboard, it's time to test your file. Click inside the upload box, select Upload a new app, and browse your computer for the APK file you downloaded earlier. Select it, click Open, and wait just a moment for the upload to complete. When the upload finishes, a confirmation window will appear. Click View App Details. This will take you directly to the online emulator. Simply click Tap to start on the virtual smartphone screen, and the platform will install and launch your app right inside your browser. And there it is. Your converted app is now live on a virtual Android device. You can interact with the screen exactly as you would on a physical phone. Tap through your menus, accept cookie prompts, and test out your features like navigating through the PDF, image, and audio tools to make sure everything looks and functions perfectly before you publish. We appreciate your support. If you enjoy our content, please consider subscribing to our channel. Your support inspires us to continue creating high quality and valuable videos every week. We'd also love to hear from you. Let us know in the comments what type of content you would like to see next. Your feedback helps us create videos that matter most to our community.